Here we have the Panzer V Panther. The tank was introduced in early 1943 as the main battle tank to replace the Panzer IV, but that never really happened. The tank was developed in response to the Soviet T-34 and KV tanks that appeared in 1941. The Panther was rushed into service perhaps a year before it was really ready, and so suffered many technical problems. The first production model was the Panther D, featured an 80mm of sloped frontal armour, 40 to 50mm side armour, a crew of 5, was powered by a 700 horsepower petrol engine, had a very good torsion bar suspension system which gave it a very smooth ride, and had very good cross-country capabilities. The tank was armed with a high-velocity 75mm L70 main gun that could punch a hole through about 140mm of armour at about 1,000 metres. The tank weighed 45 tonnes. The Panther A production started in August 1943 with some slight changes to the turret to make the production actually easier. At the same time, there were plans for a Panther II, but those were dropped, maybe because of economic and resource issues. The much improved Panther G came into service around March-April of 1944 with some changes to the hull design and one less rogue wheel. This particular Panther is quite interesting for a number of reasons. Even though it's a German Panther, it was actually produced by the REME, the Royal Electrical Mechanical Engineers, at the end of the war. So it was built by the Germans, but under British Army supervision. The paint or the camouflage is also interesting. It's got this rather striking red camouflage, and in fact that's the undercoat, the red primer, the anti-rust primer, and then some paint over the top, giving it this striking sort of red camouflage appearance.